Assalamu alaikum my viewers. In my last video we discussed about the if a patient suddenly go into asystole, so how we can manage the asystole, and if the patient will go into ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation VT and VF. So what is the method to manage the ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation and asystole? Okay, now today we will discuss about the if a patient go into tachycardia with pulse. एक पेशेंट है जो टैकीकार्डिया में जाता है और उसकी पल्स आ रही है, तो आज हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे इन एडल्ट। तो आए स्टार्ट करते हैं कि एक पेशेंट अगर सडनली गो इनटू एडल्ट पेशेंट सडनली गो इनटू टैकीकार्डिया विद पल्स, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, ठीक है ना। वी विल फर्स्ट assess the clinical condition of the patient. First thing we will do it, assess the clinical condition of the patient, check the heart rate of the patient. If the heart rate is greater than the 150, yeah, 150, yeah, more than 150, this is called the tachyarrhythmia. Tachyarrhythmia, if the heart rate is more than 150, that means it's called the tachyarrhythmia. In the tachyarrhythmia, so what we will do first, identify and check the patient. What things? Maintain the airway of the patient, assess the breathing. If the patient airway is not comfortable, so we will manage the airway. Maybe you will pass the endotracheal tube, advanced airway capnography, okay, and assess the breathing first. Secondly, we will apply the oxygen to the patient if the patient is the hypoxemic. If your patient is a hypoxemic, so you will attach the oxygen to the patient according to the saturation of the monitor and clinical condition of the patient. Attach the monitor to check the rhythm of the patient. So tachycardia, many of the type of the tachycardia, you will find the tachycardia. Then attach the oximeter, check the oxygen saturation of the patient. Okay. Then take the IV axis if the not present, and do 12 lead ECG. If you have the facility of the 12 lead ECG, you will do 12 lead ECG. Then after that, we will find out the causes of the tachyarrhythmia. The patient going to tachyarrhythmia, what are the causes? What are the possible causes of the tachyarrhythmia? The first cause is the persistent. Patient have the persistent tachyarrhythmia after the attach the oxygen monitor. Patient have the persistent tachyarrhythmia. So maybe patient is in hypotension, drop the blood pressure. Due to the drop the blood pressure, heart work fastly to increase the heart rate. It is a reason the heart work the fastly to tachycardia, you will see in the monitor. Secondly, acutely altered mental status, altered level of consciousness suddenly. The third, the sign of the shock. Your patient is in septic shock, cardiogenic shock, so it is also cause of the tachyarrhythmia. Maybe acute heart failure, ischemic chest discomfort. Your doctor will assess and tell about you, the nurse, what you will do. Okay. Then इसके बाद अगर आप चेक करेंगे in the, you will see in the ECG, the white QRS complex is the more than 0.12 second. अगर आपका ECG में white QRS complex आ रहा है और वो equal to 0.12 second है या इससे ज़्यादा है, तो आपने क्या करना है, और अगर इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम है, तो क्या करना है। तो फर्स्ट, if the patient have the not more than 0.12 second, No, and have the persistent tachycardia, you will start the vagal maneuver if the heart rate is the regular. Irregular heart rate, in the irregular heart rate, the vagal maneuver is not recommended. You will start the vagal maneuver. If regular, then you administer the injection adenosine. If your heart rate is regular, always keep in the mind, if your heart rate is the regular, okay. Secondly, you will go to injection adenosine. After that, you can choose according to doctor advice the beta blocker and the calcium channel blocker. You will administer it, and then consider the expert consultation of the cardiology. वैगल मैन्यूवर करना है आपने, रेगुलर अगर है एडिनोसिन देना है, अगर रेगुलर हार्ट रेट है, रेगुलर टैकीआरिथमिया चल रहा है, उसके बाद फिर बीटा ब्लॉकर है, कैल्शियम चैनल ब्लॉकर, अकॉर्डिंग टू एडवाइस ऑफ द डॉक्टर यू विल फॉलो इट, ठीक है. और उसके बाद जो है कंसीडर करना है, गिव द जनरेट टू कॉल द कार्डियक कंसल्टेंट. It's for the if the white QRS complex is the less than the 0.12 second, या persistent tachycardia 0.12, ठीक है. If no, you will do it. If you find out the cause from here, the patient is a hypotension, these are things. So what you will do, if any cause is present here, yes, so what you will do, synchronize cardioversion. What is the meaning of the synchronized? When you will give the synchronized cardioversion, when the patient have the pulse, patient have the tachyarrhythmia with pulse, so you will do. You consider the synchronized cardioversion, consider the sedation if your patient is the conscious, okay, or not conscious. If the patient is conscious, you will take the consent to the patient, your family. Consider the sedation. Then, if regular narrow complex tachycardia, if keep in the mind, if the regular narrow complex tachycardia, to consider injection adenosine. The many of the brand is present in the Pakistan, Adenocor. Okay, so you will give the adenosine. If no, 0.12 less than, you will do it. If yes, so greater than the. If you find out the cause of air, anything, hypotension, acute, alter level of mental status, sign of shock, so you will consider the sedation, and regular narrow complex tachycardia, you will give the injection adenosine. If your tachycardia QRS complex is the greater than the 0.12 seconds, so you will consider injection adenosine only. If you have regular and monomorphic tachycardia, if you always keep in the mind, if you have regular monomorphic tachycardia, then you will consider the injection adenosine. Okay? Then, according to doctor advice, you will take the antiarrhythmic infusion. Doctor can be choose amidron, lidocaine, anyone. Then take the expert opinion, expert consultation of cardiology. Other than any expert person is present in your hospital, you will take the consultation. After that, if your tachycardia, if you can consider is a refractory, the refractory tachycardia is another tachycardia. Okay, you already gave the shock many of the time, 2-3 times, and the 2 minutes of CPR done, compression of the CPR done, so you will consider as a refractory tachycardia. So what we will do? We will find the underlying causes and need to increase the energy level for next cardioversion. In the refractory tachycardia, already you give the 2 to 3 shocks. To need to increase the energy level to the next cardioversion, means the next shock, and need to addition of antiarrhythmic drugs. And in the last, you will take the expert consultation to resolve the tachyarrhythmia. उम्मीद है ये चीज़ें आपको समझ आई होंगी. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में we will discuss about the next tachycardia with pulse, without pulse, narrow complex and the broad complex tachycardia. Inshallah we will discuss in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.